Hello guys, welcome back to Claude and Jessica living in the Philippines.
Currently in Texas.
And my son is going to get in here, he always does. Go watch Peppa Pig. Anyways guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, the new week coming up. But yeah, so we purchased a Suzuki Japanese van. The thumbnail was my father-in-law standing in front of it with a big key they gave. It's ours, but they're gonna be taken care of. They'll be taken care of.
Well, we're not there.
While we're not there. Anyways, yeah, so it's there. We have a small monthly payment on it, which is not bad. We just paid off our car here. And my son, there he is. He doesn't give up. Where's he? But anyways, eBay notifications. Sorry guys, a lot of distractions. So anyways, it's the Japanese car, Suzuki, right?
Yes.
It comes from Japan and they reassemble it. So we're the first owners in the Philippines.
It is really nice. I like it. It's color red with white.
Yeah, and it's got the rack on top.
Yeah, they have a nice chairs and stuff. Like it's kind of like a brand new too. So
My wife says, "How do you put stuff on top if there's no ladder?"
I know, right? It's kind of weird. You put the thing, what you call that one on top of
The rack, yeah.
Yeah, and then there's no.
But when you slide the door open, you just stand up on it, or you get a ladder.
Well, I want a ladder.
But anyways, yeah. So we're making our plans of going back for vacation.
Just for 3 weeks.
We go back and forth. We're gonna go 4 months, 3 weeks. But we've decided once again, 3 weeks.
Just 3 weeks.
And that's why my wife can keep up with her career, and she's gonna become an American in 6 months or so. And see how that goes. But it's a nice vehicle.
Yeah.
Uh,
Mama, Papa is happy. The whole family is happy. Because finally they got a car.
Our friends Tom and Ruth had one in the Philippines. When we were there.
Actually, it's pretty nice, right?
I think they sold it, but
yeah,
it's not bad. He's a big guy, and you know, he's taller than me, but it fit him driving.
Yeah.
Her dad was so happy and thrilled. They gave him a big fake key, you know, for the.
Take a picture from the company.
Pick it up, yeah. He just got to get used to. He always drove standard manual over there.
Yeah. And he get nervous a little bit because he never tried automatic.
It's automatic.
It's
you put it in gear and go.
Yeah. Well, he's getting used to it with a manual car and stuff.
It's good. So when we get there, either Davao or CDO there to pick us up at the airport.
It takes maybe 5 days to get there.
Yeah, he drives so slow.
Papa drives slow. He's just being really careful.
But it's nice. You know, we had our other car there we sold before we left. But now we go back and forth, we'll have that there. We don't have to worry about transportation.
Yeah.
Plus, it's a blessing to her family, and they don't have to ride a motorcycle every time they go to the store.
Yeah, you don't need to worry when it's rain or it's really hot because it's a car used for emergency, and they can go somewhere now. Before, it's kind of tough to go somewhere with the whole family, especially like you get a motorcycle and then we get kids, you know. But now everybody's happy. Like, now you can go places and see places, you know, a family thing and stuff. We always use that one when we are a kid. Papa's always making sure every Sunday we go to Valencia.
He could actually take his bananas to Valencia if he wanted to in the back.
It's not. No, it's like.
No, I don't
Papa's
know.
got. No, Papa will not use that one.
Yeah.
Papa will not mess up. So it's he has a lot of bananas, so it couldn't fit. So he will not do that one, just for emergency and, you know, traveling.
Yeah, to get groceries, certain things like that.
Yeah.
And no red horse attend away.
I know. I already told him, like, when you get drunk, don't drive. You know, because I don't want something's happened to him or something's happened to the car, you know. Much easier to be careful and, you know, watch out what's going on and stuff, so.
Yeah, we're excited about our trip. We got our kids' passport pictures, and we just have to go fill it out. What?
I forgot I need to fill up that one. We always say like it's been 3 days and we
we'll
didn't
fill
do
out
it.
the stuff, drop it off the post office. Takes like 3 weeks. unless your trip is early. They always ask you when you're going. We just put down whatever you want. We'll have their passports. Elijah's got to get a new passport because he had one when he was 2 years old.
No, he
Picture. Oh, he had his picture taken when he was 3 months old.
Yeah, he was
Right,
so
Elijah?
little. He has like a lemon head there.
Now he's getting a new one because you can't renew a kid's passport, only adults. And that'll be nice. We're trying to figure out the airlines, but we have our savings. We're getting close to buying our tickets. Figuring out which month. Her job's already agreed to give her an extra week off. And that's good to know.
Yeah.
But anyways, yay to the USA. Gas prices are going down. Egg prices. Yay. That's all I gotta say.
You say like, yay! You say like, yeah.
Yay. As my wife calls Tata Trump. Papa
Tatay
Trump.
Trump. Tatay.
He's doing a good job on it.
Yeah,
for
he
all
did.
the pressure he's been under.
Well,
But-
anyways, let's not just talk about politics because you know how people react.
Yeah,
and
I don't
stuff,
care
so.
how people react, but yeah, that's fine. But that's it. That's our van. I'll put a couple of videos here and there of it. I already did this, but we're doing it again, and you see the thumbnail. This is my son. Thumbnail of Henry. That's her dad, Tatay.
Yeah.
They're so excited. And it's Fiesta time coming up. I wish we can go.
Oh, where you gonna go then?
For Fiesta, we bought them a pig, a live pig. So for a month, the pig's gonna grow up. We're gonna fatten up the pig, and right before Fiesta, the crispiness of the skin. It's a beautiful thing. But thank you guys for watching our channel. Welcome the new subscribers. I appreciate you.
Welcome everyone.
And you guys have a great week to come. It's spring break for my son. No school this week, so I got to keep him entertained. Our daughter's got a little cold, so.
Yeah, I'm not feeling good too.
But okay, maraming salamat.
Oh, magkita-kita tapo sa sunod na mga video. Bye!
Amping.